you have been looking for means to start making money right inside your smartphone, in this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 apps you can start using to make money right now inside your phone. Now, with this, you can start making money right inside your smartphone. Now, this is just by far one of the easiest way to make money online. No capital needed and no skills required. Now, with your smartphone and internet connection, you can start making money with these very 3 apps, and I'm going to share with you. These 3 apps are top rated, and a lot of positive reviews have come out of this very app, meaning this app is paying real time. So I'll be sharing with you these 3 apps and how you can start making money from them right now from the comfort of your home. Now, this 3 application works anywhere in the world. All you need is your smartphone with internet connection. I will take you to my screen right now, sharing with you these 3 amazing applications and how you can start making money from them right away. But before we jump right into this video, if you are new here, you are welcome home. My name is Normal Evans, and in this channel I share videos around simplest and easiest way you can make money from the internet, tech videos, and more ways you can make money surfing the internet doing what you love. Make sure you stay subscribed to this community so that you will never miss out from my premium and awesome content I drop every week. And do well to smash the like button. Thanks in advance. Now, with this said, I'll take you to my screen right now, sharing with you these 3 applications and now you can go about them. So let's go. So in this video right here, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 amazing apps that you can start making money right now from the comfort of anywhere you are. Being you student, you are a stay-at-home mom, undergraduate, copper, or whatever you do, you can use this to start making some side income right now. And the best part is that this does not matter where you stay. This work for Nigerians, Africans, and any part of the world. All right, and you can withdraw your money from your paper account or your Skrill account into your local bank account. Now let's jump right to this video as I show you these 3 amazing platforms you can start using to make money from the comfort of your home. Now the first app on our list is called Rewardy. Right, it's called Rewardy. Now I'm going to be leaving the links to all these apps on the description below. Now if you come to your Play Store right now, this is the app right now. As you can see right here, this is the app called Rewardy. It's called Rewardy Money Paid Survey. Now this app will pay you to play games. Now this app will pay you to play game majorly and to answer surveys. Now to know if this app is really paying and is really working fine, we're going to come to this review center. As you can see, this app has over 5-star reviews. As you can see, 4.5-star reviews. Over 116,000 people have rated this app, and the rating is over 4.5 star. And the first thing right now, once you have installed the app, is to open the app. So once you open the app, the first thing is to sign up an account with them, with your Gmail account and with your correct details. You want to make sure you are using your correct details. When you are making your withdrawal, your payment details will tally with the account details. As you can see right here, this is the dashboard of the app, and these are your daily reward. Daily reward, you have 20 daily reward, and if you invite your friends, you have over 100 rewards. Now this rewards is what is turned into cash, and you can withdraw the money into your bank account. As you can see, this is a game right now, watercolor, love water and color swords. Now you earned over 875 reward for just playing this game. Now this is another game right here, is called boss sort color sort puzzle, and you earn over 295 reward by playing this game. Now these are social surveys you can do, and this is over 35 rewards. Farmland, this is a game, you earn over 525 reviews, and this is a fake island demolish, you earn over 525 reviews. And if you come to this very place right now, this is how you can start making money from this very app. As you can see, this is what you have to do. Complete the following instruction steps to receive your reward. All right, first time users, complete invest 17 Carnival of Venus, 1 app per household. Make sure that you are a new user and that you are not using a VPN. So this is just the payout, right? This is the payout options. 10,000 credit is equal to $10. 20,000 credit is equal to $20, and 50,000 credit is equal to $50. Now this is how you can receive your money via PayPal, right? Now if you want to learn how you can create a PayPal account, I will leave a video in the description of this video to learn how you can create a PayPal account and how you can withdraw your money to your PayPal account. All right, as you can see right now, I've been over 230 credits. So without wasting much of our time, we're going to move down to the next platform right now, or the next app right now. You can start making money from the comfort of your home. Now if you are receiving and you are getting value from this video, I will advise you, I would love you to smash that like button, right? Smash it. And if you have not subscribed, make sure you go down there and smash the subscribe button and give this video a like. Thanks in advance. So with that said, let's jump into the next platform. So the next app on our list is called Shutter Contributor. As you can see right here, Shutter Contributor. Now if you come to this very Play Store, I'll be leaving the link also in the second link. You'll be seeing in the description of this video to have access to this very platform. And this is how you can make money from this very application. You make money by sharing your creativity in this very application. As you can see right here, this app has paid over 800 million plus in payout till date. Now they are paying over 800 million to their users till date. And to tell you that this app is really working and they are paying, if you come over to their review center right here, and they have gotten over 251,000 reviews, and the reviews is over 4.3 star, telling you that this app has more positive reviews and is really paying. But now to get started with this app is very simple. Go to Play Store, download the app. Once you have downloaded it, open the app right now. The first thing is to sign up an account with them. That's the first step to every stuff, right? I'm going to be telling you how you can make money from this app. Now this is how you can make money from this app. Now you get paid by what? Sharing images on this very app. Now you don't have to have a digital camera or a DSLR camera. With your smartphone, right, you can easily take photos of things, upload it on this very platform, and people will come to the platform to download these images for their use. So once they download these images, you are going to get paid. It's just like you going to Chrome or going to Google to search for an image you want to use. As you can see, get paid in money anytime your images are downloaded by one of our customers, right? It's a get notified, exclusive to the app, receive up to date notification whenever you have a say and when your image are added to our collection. Alright, get going, upload images and simple with our easy to use platform with growth opportunities that will help you succeed. Alright, get discovered, give your images global exposure and all of that. So the first thing to do is to click on sign up. Alright, click on sign up. You want to use your correct details to sign up an account with them. This is very important because when you are withdrawing your money, your account details is going to correspond to your payment details. It's very important. You are going to choose a display name. All right, so once you input your details, you are going to click on get started and it's going to load up your details, and you are going to have your account created. As you can see, you are going to verify your email, right? Thanks to normal, please check your email to verify your account. We head over to our email right now to verify our account. So we are going to fill in these details right now. It's very important because signing up an account with them, you are going to input all your details, right? We just finished filling our details right now and our account is ready. Now if you check the top bar right now, as you can see, I have $0 right there and I have 0 downloads. That is download icon right there. I have not earned anything on this very platform. My unpaid earnings are 0, right? You can easily just click here by start here right now. This is the home button and this is where you have access to your earnings, right? If you want to have access to your earnings, you have to start uploading the image now. Now this is your personal details and your personal account, where you are going to have access to every other details, and you can also make money by referring a contributor to the platform, right? Click there right now, select image from gallery. I can just come here right now, I can just start uploading my images, and anytime I got any download, I'm going to get paid. If you want me to make a full video and a full dedicated video on this very application, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to take time and explain and break down how you can snap and upload images that will get approved in this very platform. With that said, let's move down to the third platform, which is the last platform right now. So let's go. Now the last platform and the third platform on our list is called the Tolaka app. And the Tolaka app has been on ground for a very long time, and this app is really paying, and it has paid its user over the years. Now as you can see, do short tasks and make money. Right now this app will pay you to perform surveys and answer some simple questions you do every day. As you can see, earn money doing short tasks. Right now this platform has over 300,000 reviews, and the reviews are over 4.3 star, which is a very good rating, right? And the reviews fall over 5-star and 4-star reviews. Now as you can see, these are reviews from people who say it has been a good experience so far. I was able to complete tasks and get paid via screen. I would have given this 5 stars, but it's not possible. The 1 star I hold is because the instructions are not always clear. Now this is the very app right now. This app will pay you to do simple tasks. Now the first thing to download is to download the app. So the link of this app is going to be the third link in the description of this very video. Now once you have downloaded the app, you have to sign up an account, right? You are going to open the app. As you can see, in their first week, active Tolokas make up to $30 in their first week, right? Perform tasks every day for at least 1 hour and you get paid, right? Turn on notification to be known about any new task. All right, find tasks nearby and become a Toloka in good standing and get bonuses from requesters, right? Now, and note, all the apps I share with you in this video are available on Play Store and on App Store. So if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, it's available on both devices, so you are not limited. And the first thing is to sign up an account with them. This is very important. Just go ahead and put in a phone number right here. Whatever country you are, use your country code to do this. So again, once you are here, you want to make sure you are putting in your correct details that is corresponding to your account details, so that you'll be able to get paid. This is very important. So they're going to ask for your country. I'm from Nigeria, so you can see support Nigeria. I want to add French so that they can know the kind of tasks and surveys they're going to be giving to you. If you understand French and other language, you can just put it there, and they are going to be relating those tasks and surveys to you. Our account is successfully created, and these are the tasks on this very platform. Now, these are tasks on this very platform. As you can see, this task is 3 cents. This one is 0.05 cents, 0.05 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. Now that dollar is over 1,000 naira in Nigeria. I don't know what rate it is in your country, but over here in Nigeria, dollar is over 1,000 naira. You can make over $1 to $5 from this very platform in a very single day, and with just 1 hour in this platform, you can make up to $1 if you are really serious about it. Now these are tasks. This is 10 cents, right? 10 cents. That means 10 of these tasks is going to give you $1, right? Now, as you can see, these are tasks right now. This is where you have access to your money, and you can withdraw your money to your Payoneer account or to this account. Payoneer is a very popular platform, right? If you want to learn how you can create a Payoneer account, I will leave a link to the video also in the description of this video. You can even see the video around in the card right now to have access to it. Now you can even set your earning goals using this very app. This is super amazing. Now this is your earnings, no earnings yet, right? And this is how you can withdraw your money, right? $0. So guys, this is the 3 platforms you can make money from. Now with these 3 platforms, if you combine them together, you can be making nothing less than $10 every single day if you are serious about this. Now with these 3 applications, you can start making money right here in the comfort of your home, without having to go to any work or any place at all, making money from your home, and you can start making money using this platform. I believe you find value from this video. If you want me to do a dedicated videos on each of these platforms, do let me know in the comment section. And if you're already using this platform and this very app and you are making money from them, relate to me in the comment section so that others can know that this very app they are paying. Alright, now with all this said, if you have any concern, any question, any challenges, also relate to me in the comment section. I'm going to provide solution to it. Now with this said, I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Do well to give this video a like, and bye for now. I believe you find this content valuable. If you do, please make sure you like this video. Thanks in advance, alright? And if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscription is free. You are not paying any single thing for it. And with this said, if you have any questions, any challenges, make sure you drop them in the comment section. I'm going to reply to them immediately. Now, if you want to learn more ways you can make money online, I have put together videos showing you more easiest and simplest way you can make money using the internet. Click here right now to access a playlist of video I have put together for you, showing you more ways you can make money online. Click here right now, and I'm going to be seeing you here.